What's up, y'all? Jason checking in from Kilowatt RC. Doing a run today. Got the MGM ESC in here. We're on an 8S with the XRT. I think our personal best with the MGM ESC, 435. It's like 106 miles an hour, something like that. Maybe 105. So we're gonna be testing this ESC out some more, see what we can accomplish. All right, so we do have 12 satellites. Okay, so we're gonna hit track, start, get this thing a push, stop, read, 1 mile an hour. All right, track, give it a push again. Speed is registering. Start. Yeah, let's see what we can get today. Let's go. Running our ONYX lipos, ONYX 7500 HV packs on 8S with MGM 435 and capsule 2028 1700 kV. And got the Maxx 5th skill high-speed wheels on here. Got the WFO wide kit, titanium axles. Got the WFO motor mount. Yeah. This thing is all. And also got the WFO HD knuckles. All right. See what speed that was. She sounded pretty good. We got soccer gears up in here. So let's see what the speed was. Stop, read, 102 miles an hour. All right. Start. Yeah, let's see what we can get today. Up in here. So let's see what the speed was. Stop, read, 102 miles an hour.